what is an API? What does that mean?
Yes, absolutely. So API stands for Application Programming Interface. And what that means is it's basically a protocol that allows other developers to utilize a service like in within their code in a very effective, seamless way. And so, typically what that means is it's kind of like the pipes of which programs can talk to each other. And so I always think of a very powerful example of this API is like Stripe, right? You don't want to have to build your own payments infrastructure and platform, right? If you're developing an e-commerce website. And so in a few lines of code with Stripe, boom, you have that ready to go. So it abstracts away a lot of complexity, and a lot of developers love using all kinds of APIs in terms of the things that they're building.
Cool. So the programmer doesn't have to develop something from scratch. Like with the Stripe example you're giving, they don't have to come up with their own payment verification system. They can use the Stripe API, and then they provide information to the API, or their users can indirectly provide information to the API, like their credit card details. And then Stripe can handle doing some stuff behind the scenes, making the payment happen, verifying the credit card details, and then it can return some information back to you. So the API takes information like credit card details and then brings back other information like verified. This payment is all good. And then you can choose what to do with that information. You can present it to the user. You can bring them to another screen that says, congratulations, your payment has gone through. So so APIs allow information to go back and forth, and to abstract away the complexity of programming for programmers.
Yes, absolutely. And just the way you kind of described the Stripe example really well, like the API that we have does the same sort of complexity abstraction for provider data. All those messy thousands of sources you have to deal with, managing and reconciling that data, editing and changing the information if you realize that it's incorrect and you need to correct it. It's a giant, data management nightmare, and our API aims to make that a lot more seamless.